Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions regarding this watch. Today, we're discussing a 2025 launch from Moser Cie of Schaffhausen, Switzerland. This is the Streamliner Flyback Chronograph Frozen. And as a note to parents who've been traumatized by animated characters and songs associated with that word, I can assure you this is the antidote. So the watch is stainless steel, 42.3 millimeters in diameter, 14.4 millimeters thick, and 48.2 millimeters if you measure the first link to its opposite number on the other side. That's how I measure these watches with integrated bracelets. So it's an easy watch to wear, but it is large. I would call it a large watch, not an oversized watch. On my 16 centimeter circumference wrist, you can see it wears quite nicely, and the edges of the case are nowhere near the edge of my wrist, even from over the top, which exaggerates the width of the watch. It's not thin, but it's also not thick, and it does have a pretty generously sloped side, so it should slide underneath most cuffs. I'm looking at a 16 centimeter circumference wrist here. I actually think this could wear on a 15 centimeter circumference wrist. It's nicely balanced on a beautifully organic and tightly interlocked bracelet. You can see how tight these interlocks are, no daylight showing between. The recesses internally are formed and polished. We have satin on the side, a polished bevel that extends the bevel of the bezel, satin across the top, and this really feels like the naturally occurring segmented armor of some sort of animal kingdom fauna. It's really just beautiful. We have bars fixing the removable links, so you'll need a block and punch if you want to size this at home. But with many small individual removable links, you're guaranteed to get the right sizing. Double folding clasp with twin trigger release. When it's closed, you see the Moser logo. Twin triggers, it's not going to pop open inadvertently. The finish, beautiful. Inspired by the 70s, we have a tonneau with this radial lapping machine style graining. It's evocative of the period without looking like any specific watch, and that's a hallmark of great art. You can approximate the references and you recognize them, but it's not derivative. Now, the watch features a screw-down crown and 120-meter water resistance. What's amazing is that Moser rates the watch for chronograph use. Yes, the buttons, the pushers, down to that 120 meters. We have Globalite ceramic lume on the dial. We're going to take a look now. You can see it's pretty bright. We also have a chronograph function that is flyback, so you can reset and restart without first stopping. Great for timing two events that occur in rapid succession. And you can see we have central registers for the chronograph, a little bit like an old Lamagna 5100. Here's your chronograph seconds hand, and then here's your chronograph minutes hand. And that chrono minutes hand will make 60 ticks across the dial, so it is a radial 60-minute display coaxial with the seconds and the hands that show you the time. Now, the dial is beautifully lacquered, and several different pigments are applied to create this gradient fade. It's described as matrix green, and then we have this frosted or frozen icy-like texture underneath. Moser known for strong design language, especially fume fade dials, and matrix green is a color that they periodically use on their watches. If you look very closely, you can see their ghosted clear lacquered logo at the top of the dial, but they feel their design is strong enough that they don't need to overtly brand it. Now, right here, as the seconds hand passes, the index at 60, you can see how the jump of the chrono minutes operates. It is an instantaneous jump, very precise. We've got this staggered track outboard for reading seconds and fractions of seconds, known as a racing dial, characteristic of some famous chronographs, particularly from Omega in the late 60s through the 70s. It's characteristic of the period and gives the watch a little bit of a motorsports vibe. If you look out further, you can see that there's a tachometric scale that allows you to use the chronograph to gauge the speed of an object such as a race car across a kilometer. And again, it is a flyback, so you can reset and restart without first stopping. The watch has a movement made by Agenor, which is notable because the rotor is actually underneath the dial. So when you look at the case back, you don't really recognize that it's an automatic winding movement. So here we see the movement, and it's got a nickel anthracite finish that's characteristic of the second generation Streamliner chronograph. The original one featured silvered bridges. This one features nickel anthracite. The original one featured a 54-hour power reserve. This one, automatic winding with twin barrels. It's a 72-hour power reserve. Now we've got a 3 hertz beat rate, and you can't see the balance too well, though it's under there with a unique regulator system designed by the engineer of this movement, which is Agenor of Geneva. Now we have the column wheel up here. It's a very crisp column wheel operation with a modified style of lateral clutch that they call the Agen clutch. You'll see it here in operation. It's generally fairly smooth in operation, though it's not quite as seamless as a vertical clutch. It's very, very good. The movement is large and attractive, and according to Jean-Marc Viderecht, the founder and chief of Agenor, it actually meets the standard for the Geneva hallmark being designed and built there. Of course, you can see the decoration is high level. That goes without saying. You have a little hooded Batman-like character. If you look at the center bridge, little devil's horns in the center. We have solarization on the ratchet wheel. We do have 2 barrels here, and it is an incredibly complicated movement with 55 joules, and you can get lost in this rhodium-plated beauty. Dark rhodium is what that is. If you love this watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.